How you doing, everybody? My name is Dr. Sami Baya. Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. Narcissists and Silent Treatment Abuse. That's the title of this video. When you talk about silent treatment, we're talking about a manipulative, abusive behavior used by narcissists to control you, to coerce you, to manipulate you. So if you've gone through this silent treatment, if you've experienced this, you can learn how to cope. If you've ever been with a narcissist or someone who used this silent treatment, then you know what I'm talking about. It's an emotional abuse. It can try to get you to do things you don't want to do. Now, quickly, when dealing with a narcissist, you need to know how they use the silent treatment. They use the silent treatment to manipulate you by withdrawing or refusing to engage with you. So that's why silent treatment is a form of emotional abuse. The silent treatment is used by narcissists to punish you. Punishment may be used to reject, isolate, or correct any behavior that they don't like. So they punish you. Again, narcissists will use silent treatment for a timeout. Taking a time out from a highly contentious interaction is a positive move in a typical disagreement. But narcissists use timeouts. They buy more time in hopes that the person will be less reactive over time. Again, silent treatment is used as a relational aggression. They use it to harm or threaten harm to you. Narcissists will use silent treatment to manipulate you. Remember, these are master manipulators. Whenever the narcissist is using silent treatment on you, they are attacking you. They are manipulating you. They want to get you to do something that you are willing to do. They want you to stop a behavior they don't like. Again, silent treatment is used by narcissists as a power move. They use it as a power move. They use power tactics to coerce you into doing what they want or not engaging with you until you give in to their desires. So disengaging with someone for a short time and then communicating afterwards to resolve the conflict can be healthy. But it is unhealthy when someone doesn't seek to resolve the conflict until they get what they want. That's what narcissists do. Narcissism exists on a spectrum. It is often associated with an inflated sense of self-importance. Narcissists may inflate their self-importance and they want admiration at an extreme level. So, if you are dealing with a narcissist, you should know when you're going through a silent treatment. If you want to know if you're going through silent treatment, the narcissist will disengage with you. They will ignore your needs. They will reject any physical touch. They'll shut down all attempts to communicate. They will give 1 or 2 word answers when you are having a conversation with them. They'll use dismissive language by saying things like, "Who cares?" or "Shut up." They'll avoid eye contact. They'll do something else completely. They'll physically distance themselves away from you after a conflict. They'll tune you out. Now, when the narcissist is taking you through silent treatment, they may tell you that they're not going to talk to you until you have done something with them. Maybe you've had sex with them, or maybe you've given them some money. When a narcissist is still treating you on silent treatment, they will isolate you, or they might go in isolation in a room away from you, and they'll not talk to you. They'll not tell you what's wrong. When a narcissist is doing silent treatment on you, they'll place blame on you for a conflict and refuse to talk about it with you. Narcissistic silent treatment is all about the narcissist not responding or acknowledging you after you ask for help with household chores. They'll refuse to hug or kiss you. They'll avoid you and they'll do something else completely. They'll engage in nonverbal communication. They'll cross their arms or roll their eyes. They'll shut down all attempts to communicate. So if you're in a relationship with the narcissist and they're doing the silent treatment on you, you need to cope up with this situation. There are things you need to do. You need to ensure you set and reinforce boundaries. Hold healthy boundaries. Keep healthy boundaries and learn how to say no. Try to restrain from giving into demands that you don't want to do. Acknowledge how you feel. If you feel hurt, if you feel angry, if you feel sad, if you feel frustrated, confused by their behavior, it's okay to feel this way. Acknowledge it. Pause before responding. Before you respond to the person, that the narcissist who is doing you silent treatment, try to take some time, some space to acknowledge your feelings and practice self-soothing techniques before trying to re-engage. You can also lean on your support system. Rely on your trusted friends, trusted family members. Utilize those support systems to find a support system to help you deal with the hurt that goes along with the silent treatment, because silent treatment can be very hurtful. It's painful. Ensure you're also in a safe space. Your safety comes first. Reevaluate your relationship. Is it worth it? See a therapist or mental health professional if need be. That professional can help you learn how to deal with a narcissist and provide support. You don't have to go through this alone. You need to go through it with people. So you can also practice deep breathing. You can tense and relax your muscles. You can journal to remind you of reality and what actually happened. All right. Now, when dealing with a narcissist, it can be very overwhelming, and you may feel lonely and you may feel hurt if you are experiencing it. So if you are dealing with a narcissist and they're taking you through silent treatment, just know it's an unhealthy and abusive behavior. And just know there are ways you can get help. There's always a way you can deal with that narcissist. There's always a way you can protect yourself from that narcissist. As I said, make sure you set boundaries, clear boundaries. Keep those boundaries and enforce them, and learn how to use the word no. Accept and acknowledge that you are in pain, you are angry, you are frustrated or confused by the narcissist's behavior. And before you respond to them, think, pause, ask yourself questions. Make sure you have a support system in place, trusted family members, trusted friends, people who can be there for you. Make sure you are safe. Your safety comes first. Make sure your mental health is also good. Take good care of your well-being. Mental well-being, your health is key here. You can exercise. You can make sure you eat well, balanced meal, sleep well, focus on your hobbies. Reevaluate that relationship you have with that narcissist. Is it worth it? Is it a habit? Are you feeling safe to communicate with them? You need to ask yourself hard questions and make a decision. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've learned a thing or two. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done so. Thank you.